So hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Discord not launching on your PC and it just keeps rolling on starting. So how to fix this? Let's get started. First, what you need to do is get over to your desktop and then press Windows plus R on your keyboard and type percentage local app data percentage. Here what you need to do is search for this Discord folder and then right click on it and then click on delete. Just delete this folder and then restart your PC and then check if your problem solves. If your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy. Whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tool. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.